So today we are maidening the second multiplex Fun Cub. Phil has fitted the DJI FPV system to it and head tracking. I have got my 65 pence reduced from £1 cheese sandwich, so I think it's going to be a good day.
We're cooking our feet. That's what you're doing, Winter.
We're supposed to be smoking like that. Can you smell burning rubber?
No, it's perfectly natural. Just let it go. When you've done one, just change it to the other.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. See how long it takes.
Oh, mine's going already.
Yeah, mine's going.
Okay, when you're ready.
Okay, going for takeoff.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Oh, I need way more throttle than you, I think.
I'm below you, just watch out.
Gonna turn.
I'm gonna get out of the way, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Don't want to crash in mid-air yet. Oh, that's a rough downwind.
It's really rough, isn't it?
Turning back into wind. Keep my nose in shot for reference. You can see a lot more propeller today with that sunlight.
You can, you can.
I've got a bead on you now.
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, it's difficult in this wind to...
Oh, it's proper, yes. I'm nearly full throttle there, Phil.
Just avoid them trees.
Yeah, this one doesn't have as much power.
Oh, it doesn't like the wind at all.
No.
That's terrible.
You really...
Right turning now.
Yeah, using full rudder on the right turn.
I've got you, yeah. Cool. Lost you.
Yeah, it's I turned because you're out of my line. Like you've just become a dot to me. So I'm just over those trees, I think. Oh, full throttle nearly for me.
Right, got you. Okay, powering up. Nose down to penetrate. Just over a tree. Whoa.
I think, have you scooted past me?
No, not yet. I'm just throttle back to. This is hard work.
It's hard work, man.
Oh, there you go. I think I'm above you.
Yeah, you're above me.
It's easier than flying the Hobby King BX3, but it's still hard work.
That is full power for me, and I'm not going anywhere.
Where are you compared to me? Oh, I've got you.
You got me.
Okay.
I'll turn downwind then. And then you've got about 2 seconds of downwind.
Yeah. Got you in shot. It's crazy, this is.
I'll have to turn because I can't see me from that point. And then just basically a hover for me at that point. Oh, I ballooned up, sorry. If you look to your left, you should, and down.
Yeah. That is so cool. Right, we need a couple of zeros, some Mustangs, P-51s.
Yeah.
BB guns. That is crazy.
I'm not moving anywhere though.
It's just below my wingtip. I'm curving round now.
Okay.
Round the patch, turning away.
If you look to your left now. No, or down.
I'm looking down my wingtip. That drift is so bad with that.
It is terrible. Wow. I thought, like, you remember how we said, oh, it's so much better than the Bixler.
Yeah.
It's more similar, isn't it, when it's like this? You basically weathercock into wind.
A lot more control though. It's more, you can react.
Oh yeah,
so
you can react to it, but I don't like how the throttle on this one, it's 65%.
Yeah.
If you look up and to your right, so up and to your right.
Yeah, there you are. Yeah. Try not to lose control.
Oh yeah, watch yourself.
There's the trees. Power up between the gap.
Show off.
It's too much fun. Oh, my fingertips are frozen.
Yeah, so am I. So I'm just flying line of sight here today because it's too cold to sort the head tracking out. It just needs a couple of the settings changing. I did fly it with head tracking, but something not quite right, so I thought with this crazy wind we would just see what it'd be like, me flying line of sight and Phil with the head
shot so good there.
with the head tracking. I'm trying to keep it straight and true.
Oh, it's crazy.
Best I can. I'm up on your.
Yeah, I daren't look up because of the trees.
Yeah, that's the problem. You see, when there's no wind there, that's when you can afford to look around and look up, isn't it? But when it's windy like this, you have to pretty much just watch where you're flying.
So we've got to bear in mind what time we're flying with today, because there's no timer on screen with this system. Not yet.
Can you see me? I'm right above you.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can really crank it over there. And I can follow, every movement, man. It's so easy.
Ah, brilliant.
I just have to keep remembering to
turn.
look for trees.
Yes.
It's crazy. I've lost you. Where are you at?
Oh, I've had to turn, so I'm over the trees. I'm hovering over the trees. To your right. So yeah, to the right.
Gotcha.
Should be in front. I'll move over to the strip more. Have you timed the flight on your transmitter, Phil?
Nope, can't be bothered. It's too cold. We've got another 3 minutes.
You should have a timer on your recording, though. Oh no, you haven't, because
it's just basic setup on Mechanics Vista.
This looks great.
Oh yeah, I just sweep past on the sun. That was amazing. Oh, tree. Oh.
Full throttle, that. Full throttle. What kind of throttle are you liking to wind, Phil?
Anywhere between half and 3/4.
So that's same then, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe the motor's okay on this and it's just the wind that's struggling with it. Yeah, about the same. I think it's a bit smoother. So I'm back over the tree again, so if you look to your right and up,
Gotcha.
and then I'm just sort of, it's so much work just to keep the wing level, isn't it?
It's so intuitive though, just powering up and pointing in the direction of what you want to go for. I'm peeling off to the right, then just panning left to look. There you are in the sun again. That's amazing.
Very near the trees.
Yeah, straight over the top.
Trees, watch out, Phil.
I've just seen that. Trees bushes. If you want that steady line, you have to throttle back a bit.
Yeah.
You lose height.
That's it. That's what it is, yeah.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try a couple of passes from the right just after these trees.
Okay.
See what it's like on approach, because I know it's really bumpy lower down.
And I think what should be a gauge of how long we fly for today is how can you feel your thumbs, because mine are absolutely dead.
Okay, I'm lined up real good. I can just feel the wind.
Yeah.
It's like pulling a caravan behind you.
Yeah.
So a little bit of down. I've got you in shot on the right to the nose.
I'm just basically hovering at this point.
I'm just looking down now, just slowly going over the hedge.
Yeah, I can see, yeah.
Following the animal track on the ground. Whoa, that wind is rough. So if I can, I'm just going to go for a good landing on this. A little bit of power.
I'm going to
going.
keep you in shot so you can see. Yeah, you're lined up nicely.
Oh, wind there.
It just really dipped all of a sudden. Oh, that's it. You got it. Oh,
that felt terrible.
but you're still on the strip. I'm going to attempt the same.
Oh, it won't turn.
Yeah, just too much breeze.
Okay, well, safe down anyway.
I'm gonna
look around still.
I'm gonna try and
see you.
I'm gonna try and match you, but oh my goodness, we're down. Yeah.
I can see my antenna.
How can you see me?
Because the signal goes all the way back.
Oh, of course. Okay. I think that's the best we're gonna get. Cause oh no, don't tip over. Hello. Look over there. Look that way. That way. Can you see that one? See if you can taxi back. No. Hello. Oh no, he's upside down. Your camera's still going. Your camera's. What's happened to you there, mate? Nah, no bueno.